I'm David Brock, and I'm proud to be associated with the Coppola Firm as senior counsel. The Coppola Firm was founded on the principle that as lawyers, we are strong advocates for our clients, and we fight as hard as we need to protect their rights. Sometimes, however, the best results come not from a long fight to the finish, but from taking a smarter and sometimes shorter path to get the best result for our client. More often in recent years, cases that used to end up in years of drawn-out and costly litigation now are being resolved early on through mediation, where the parties to a dispute agree to sit down with an impartial third party to discuss ways in which the dispute can be resolved before committing years and valuable resources to a lawsuit with its unpredictable results. Every lawsuit carries with it uncertainty and the risk of an undesired result beyond the party's control. By agreeing early on to mediate a dispute, sometimes even before a lawsuit is started, the client is able to manage the risks of going forward with litigation and has control over the outcome. Many clients, including individuals as well as large and small corporations, understand that a lawsuit, often lasting several years, can make it difficult to reach a successful resolution later on in the case. Once witnesses are called to testify, and after key facts and legal arguments have become fixed, the parties usually find it difficult later on to back off in settlement discussions. If the real issues can be aired before lines are drawn in the sand, the parties are usually more willing and able to take an open attitude in less formal mediation discussions. Occasionally, the actual dispute lies deeper than just how much money may be at stake, and a successful resolution requires examining the real reason behind the dispute to get to the basis of the disagreement between the parties. Those concerns often can be bridged by the parties, sometimes for the very first time, by sitting down across from each other at a table and talking and listening to each other with the help of a neutral third party. Early mediation provides the opportunity to dig deeper into why a dispute arose in the first place, and to find a creative way to put the parties back where they want and need to be, often by looking at how they can continue to work with each other and conduct business together in the future. Even if mediation doesn't result in a resolution of all the claims, the real issues in a dispute often can be identified, and litigation, if it becomes necessary, can more narrowly focus on what really matters to the clients, perhaps sooner and more cost-effectively. The lawyers at the Coppola Firm are experienced in guiding clients to the best approach for them to any dispute, whether through litigation or through working together to reach an early, efficient, and cost-effective resolution through mediation.